hot. Okay, let's go. Hey folks, Chef Matt here, and good news, 5 things I love to crush. Took a little field trip today. We're in my parents' backyard doing a barbecue edition. It's great. We're in their neighborhood. We're gonna hear kids playing. We're gonna hear my mother giving me shit while she has a brandy. It's exactly what we want in a video series. Reality, reality. But enough about that. Today is all about science. See, a wise person once told me, there ain't no thing like a chicken wing. And that's exactly what today's 5 Things video is all about. Chicken wings and the best way to enjoy them. Now there's so many ways to do a chicken wing. Fried, smoked, baked, grilled, combination of all these things. But today we're specifically going to talk about the 5 ways I love to crush a chicken wing after they've been smoked and finished on the charcoal barbecue. Now I know what you're thinking, Matt, obviously buffalo sauce has got to be in this list. I've decided to omit buffalo sauce. I think we all like buffalo sauce. We all know buffalo sauce exists, so we can just kind of put it off to the side and look at 5 other ways to crush a chicken wing outdoors on the barbecue. And side note, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications, ding, 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 for more fun stuff like this. All right, let's crush 5 things, chicken wings. All right, chicken wing number 1. Now keep in mind, not every sauce makes sense for every chicken wing if you're frying it, for example. Because when you're frying a wing, it's got flour on it, it's going in a hot fryer. That's one kind of wing. This is all about smoking your chicken wing and then finishing it off on a charcoal grill. So 2 things there. You get smoke now in the flavor of the wing, and then you're also getting hot fire, really rendering off the fat of the skin, getting nice char, nice grill marks on your chicken wing, and these are now incorporated into the flavor of the wing. So when it comes to pairing a sauce or a topping with a wing like that, you have to take all of that into consideration. You just thought you just opened up a bottle, tossed it in a bowl, and away we go. No, 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 way more complex. So chicken wing number 1 off the charcoal grill, Salsa Verde chicken wings. Now, Salsa Verde, not typically something you ever have with a chicken wing. And I get it, it's usually meant for tacos or nachos or steak or fajitas, you know, things of that nature. But what's great about the chicken wing is that fatty skin mixed with the acidity of the Salsa Verde actually comes out perfect. So what I love to do is get it on the grill, cook it off, and then toss the wings in the sauce, add a little chopped cilantro, little salt. Bob's your uncle. Chicken wing number 1, Salsa Verde. Next. Oh, I'm not done yet. My mother's staring at me. Stop looking at me, Mom. I know, I'd be dead. Hey Matt, maybe you should do the video in your parents' backyard. They have a nice backyard, you have a nice barbecue there. Yeah, it's a good idea. Oh wait, this is why. This is why this is a bad idea. Hi Mom, love you. Okay, chicken wing number 2. Definitely not something you would ever think to have with a chicken wing, but it works so well. And it specifically works well for all the reasons I just said on the Salsa Verde. We have lemon, butter, and Parmesan cheese. Now what's awesome about this is you're using a super high fat butter, fresh lemon. So the 2 things actually work against each other. You have the acid, which cuts through the fat, and then you have fat that just loves the acid. So they come together, and then you take its good friend Parmesan cheese, and you go, I'm just gonna sprinkle all over the top of this. You can add chives, you can add fresh garlic, chopped basil, whatever you want, even some like chili oil if you wanna make it spicy. Lemon, butter, with Parmesan cheese on your barbecue chicken wings are phenomenal. And number 4 on my list. I think it's great. Buttery, cheesy, lemony. All the things chicken wings. I'm gonna eat like this. Next! That was a weak next. I'm embarrassed because the kids are watching. No, please! You're doing great. Don't let us get in your way at all. In fact, I'll probably have some chicken wings for you. Oh, yeah. All right, number 3 on the list. Definitely one of my favorite sauces, but there's a caveat. You have to like mustard to like this sauce. So if you don't like mustard, we shouldn't even talk because A, you're weird, and B, you're not gonna like this sauce. Mom, stop laughing. Stop laughing, we can hear you. Anyways, so Carolina style barbecue sauce is mustard based. So if you think about all the different kind of states in the United States, so you have some of the barbecue sauces are molasses based, some are ketchup based, some are vinegar based. Mustard based barbecue sauce, one of my favorite things, and it's phenomenal on chicken. Chicken tenders, chicken nuggets, fried chicken, that's technically all the same thing, just in different sizes. Chicken wings and whole chicken. This sauce is one of my favorites. So we have number 3 on the list, Carolina style mustard barbecue sauce. So you can see it's still yellow, like mustard. A little dark, there's some honey in there as well, some black pepper. It's fantastic, I love it. I could eat this all day, every day. Put it on everything. Put it on hot dogs, put it on cheese, put it on chicken wings. Next! Number 4 on this list is, in my opinion, exactly what I look for in a chicken wing flavor. I like balance. I like things that are a little bit in one direction, a little bit in the other direction. Comes together and it makes a unity, perfect unity of flavor. So, hot and honey, hot honey. Sweet with heat, all great things. And now, my friend, Chef Christine Flynn, just came out with her own line of hot honey, and it's perfect. All you have to do, get the wings in the bowl, give it a toss, then salt it. That way the salt sticks to the wing because of all the sugars, and you're good to go. You can add a little bit of lemon juice if you want, a little bit of fish sauce, a little bit of soy sauce, just something with a little bit of saltiness, just to kind of cut through that honey. For my opinion, as is, a little bit of salt, all you need. A little hot and honey. Give it up for my friend Christine, making her own honey. Look at her go. I love you, Christine. I love your honey a little bit more. Really good. Really good chicken wing. That's getting spicy. Next, and the number 1 chicken wing that I love to crush during summer barbecue season is a raging hot chicken wing with a side of ranch sauce. Now, normally this wouldn't actually be my number 1 on the list. It would be somewhere near the top, like number 4, maybe even number 5. However, previously on 5 Things I Love to Crush, where Matt takes the hottest things and eats them early, I then proceed to suffer for the rest of the video. So we're like, hey, you know what? Maybe put it at the end. That way you can sweat and swear and it doesn't impact the rest of the video. So that's exactly what we're doing. 5 Things I Love to Crush. Number 1, numero uno on the list, a raging hot chicken wing, a little bit of ranch on the side. Let's see how bad that is. Well, even with the ranch, it's very hot. It's smoked habaneros. Yeah, there it is. Because once the ranch is gone, it's all you taste is hot. But smoked habaneros blended into a barbecue sauce. That's actually my favorite way to do a really, really hot barbecue sauce or a really hot sauce for a wing. A lot of times people just use peppers and you go, that has no flavor. That's just super, super hot. Well, the trick is take a barbecue sauce you really love, roast off a really hot pepper. I used habaneros, blend it into the sauce you like. All of a sudden now you have 2 things. You have a hot pepper, a sauce you like, they come together, a raging hot barbecue sauce. Little ranch on the side. It's on the lips. Bob's your uncle, chicken wings all day long. Okay, well now we gotta do an outro with a painful mouth. It's all good. Well, there you have it, folks. 5 Things I Love to Crush, barbecue chicken wing edition. We had salsa verde, we had Parmesan lemon butter, we had Carolina mustard sauce, we had hot honey, we have this inferno going on right now in my mouth. Oh, excuse me. It's all good. It's reality, remember? I told you, reality-based content. That's what we're doing. Me in my parents' backyard, sweating and crying. It's all good. Thank you so much for watching. How do you love your chicken wing? Are you a drum or a flat? I want to know. Enjoy barbecue season, enjoy the summer, get outside, have fun with people when you're allowed to have fun with people. And remember, we'll be back, because this is 5 Things I Love to Crush for you, and for me, and for you mostly. Like, subscribe, and turn on that bell, which is somewhere up here, ding, 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 for notifications. Okay, let's go. It's hot water. It's hot water! It's hot. It was a bad idea.